Do you ever wonder where certain sayings come from? For example, jack of all trades is one of my favorites, which generally means someone or something that is good at a lot of different things. But who is Jack? And does he really know all the trades? Get this guy on the shop floor, am I right? Speaking of that saying, many people in the tire industry consider all-season tires the jack of all trades among tires. It's true too. In this video, let's find out why all-season tires are considered an all-encompassing option in the tire market. All-season tires do well with balancing tread life, performance, and customer expectations. Let's talk about tread life first. Regardless of whether the vehicle has an EV or ICE drivetrain, all-season tires usually feature longer-lasting tread life compared to most other tire segments. Yes, all-season tires are typically associated with longer wear life, but manufacturers have seen a cap in terms of mileage warranties and wear life expectations, generally around 80,000 miles. This cap, of course, depends on where the customers live and how they drive. However, manufacturers know how important tread life warranties are for all-season products and are continually developing their all-season lines to offer improvements that make a tire more comfortable without sacrificing tread life. Manufacturers also realize that other segments, like all-weather lines, could eventually take a large chunk of the market away from all-season tires. The most obvious difference between the all-weather and all-season segments is that all-weather tires generally feature a 3-peak mountain snowflake rating for severe snow certification, while all-season tires generally feature an MS rating for general mud and snow performance. This may prompt manufacturers to either go all in completely on all-weather lines or enhance current all-season lines with more capable winter capabilities. With the all-season tire segment's popularity at its highest point, you should be prepared to educate your customers on their all-season tire purchases. All-season tire technology is only going to continue to evolve, so there's going to be a need for your customers to understand the capabilities and limitations of these tires. By being knowledgeable about the different types of vehicles in the region you serve and the differences in performance all-season tires offer, you can make the best recommendation from customer to customer. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.